Welcome to Ocean Breeze Resort. For easy booking, scan the QR code displayed on screen or check the description below. Ocean Breeze Resort, SHA Plus, is a tranquil haven nestled in the serene coastal town of Khao Lak, Thailand. It's the perfect escape for travelers seeking relaxation and rejuvenation. This comfortable 3-star hotel offers picturesque surroundings, ensuring a memorable experience for both leisure and business travelers. The resort invites you to immerse yourself in the beauty of nature and unwind in this idyllic setting. Ocean Breeze Resort, SHA Plus, features a range of modern amenities to make your stay as comfortable as possible. The hotel was last renovated in 2016, ensuring that the facilities are up to date and well-maintained. We offer 68 well-appointed rooms, each thoughtfully designed with your comfort in mind. Whether you're traveling solo, with a loved one, or with family, we have the perfect room to suit your needs. Check-in begins at 2 p.m., allowing you to settle in at your own pace. The resort, built in 2009, showcases a modern architectural design that blends harmoniously with the surrounding natural beauty. Checkout is until 12 p.m., providing ample time to savor your last moments of peace before your departure. Enjoy complimentary breakfast, convenient parking, and express check-in services. Plus, families are welcome. Children aged 0 to 0 years old stay free of charge. For your convenience and easy booking, don't forget to scan the QR code on the screen.